In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link the skills practice from where it's living in the resources folder into your planner where the Mathia block is located in each one of your units. So I'm going to walk you through the process of adding that into your course. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to remember that during our PD, we went through and we deactivated, as you can see over on my left-hand side, we deactivated all of the content that the students didn't need. So as of right now, Module 1, Topic 1, Rigid Motion, those LTI links are activated for the students. But what we really want to dig into is where the skills practice resources or those LTI links are living. So those are actually going to be in this Carnegie Learning Middle School Math Solution Course 3 folder. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the parent folder. So I'm going to turn on this overall folder because we want that folder to be activated so that then we can activate the specific resources inside the folder that we need. So I'm going to turn my toggle switch to yes. And now it's saying, well, do you want to activate everything within the folder? And I'm actually going to say no, because I don't want to turn all of the stuff in the folder. I want to pick and choose what I want to turn on. So I'm going to turn that on. And now, as you can see, my overall parent folder is activated. But then once we dig into the folder, you'll see that all of my other resources are still deactivated, which is good because we don't need the students to have access to these resources. So now once I come in here, you'll see that then the other resources are buried within other folders within the parent folder. So I'm going to turn on Module 1. And same thing, there's stuff inside the folder. Do you want to turn the stuff inside the folder on? No, I don't. And then I'm going to dig into this folder and I can go down into Topic 1. Now you'll see that these things are on, so I am going to go ahead and turn some of this stuff off. Now you're going to make the decision because you all are the content experts as far as what you want on and what you don't want on. But I just want this Topic 1 rigid motions to be on, and then I'm going to go into and I'm going to scroll down. So the stuff that's on is actually the student stuff, and the stuff that's off is the teacher content. So when I scroll down, what I should find is my skills practice, and so that is on. So I am now good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my plans. And I am already set because I changed my drop down to Module 1, Topic 1. And I'm going to go down till I find the learning individually. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an activity because all of our LTI links, these little puzzle pieces, those all get added in the add activity or the student learning experiences column. So I'm going to click add. And it's already living within the course. So instead of building something from scratch, starting something new, I'm going to add something from the course. And I am actually going to go ahead and say show all just so that I know that I'm seeing everything. And then what I'm going to do is here is that Carnegie Middle School Math folder. I'm going to use my little caret here to open the whole folder. And then this should look familiar because we're looking at the folder structure that we just looked at. I'm going to use the caret again and the caret again. And you can see, like, these things are deactivated, so that's why they are italicized. So I opened my Topic 1 rigid motion, and remember it was kind of far down here in the folder. Here's learning individually, so I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to say add, and now that lives within this block. So then if I were to say, oh, I want, this to be, today, remember what that's going to now do on my overview page. My students should see. There it is. Because I have that 8:30 date in here, that's why that's populating on top. But if I only wanted my Mathia, that because it's today, then that would show there. And again, my link is right there for my students.